Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video we are doing a patio. So 2 days ago I came in with a machine late at night, probably around like 5 o'clock, and we dug out all this dirt. So if you look here, this was the grade of the dirt, right? So we had to dig it out, and it kind of like ran into the shed there. And so we dug all the dirt out. He's building his driveway up, so we're putting the dirt over there so he can build up that eventually. But yeah, so then yesterday me and Reggie came in here, we put this form up, right? Put that form up, put that drain up, put the gravel in here, graded it, compacted it, put this up. We got a fancy walkway here, right, into this other patio I poured like 2 weeks ago. Got a nice step here, and yeah, so we're getting ready to pour it. Got all our concrete stuff, all that good things. We got some height pins set up. I got 2 wheelbarrows because the truck's gonna come in the driveway, right? And he's gonna put a chute in here. We can only get about 24 feet, something like that. And this pad is pretty much 23 feet. So I don't know how far he's gonna get in here with both of these buildings, right? So we got some wheelbarrows just in case he can't get over here, which I know he can't get in there. No big deal. Yeah, so now we're completely ready, you know, waiting for the truck to get here. And yeah, so I'm pretty proud of this prep work. Looks pretty good. We compacted it and everything yesterday too, if you can tell. Ran a tamper along there. Yeah, I think this is turning out nice. It sucks, I forgot to charge my batteries the night of, or the time I did that patio back here, which sucks because I like taking videos of everything. So I couldn't take a video of this job because I didn't charge my camera batteries. But yeah, so we poured that. Got some furniture on there, looking good. Pretty proud of that. So right on, we got the truck up in here, pretty nice, so the chute can, you know, do that. That's great. We only got to rake a little bit and wheel this little bit, so that is fantastic. Getting her all wetted down, everything about to start here. Started with the wheelbarrows, got that step all poured, and started pouring the big section once we got past that little bend. And we started screeding. It was pretty easy pour since he could get right up in there. And we just, I had an 8-foot screed, and I just screeded both sides going back and forth. Yeah, it was a pretty easy pour. Me and Reggie were doing that. Reggie's getting pretty good with the mag there. He's been learning how to do benches and raking and stuff. He's been learning how to do all those things to pour the concrete. When we got to the end there, it was pretty cool. We only had about like a shovel full left. Daniel's real good with getting the concrete in, not having too much, and just hanging out with him after the pour right there and cleaning up. Alrighty, got her all poured. Looks good, looks good. So now I'm gonna start bull floating here in a second. Take care of that step. I'm gonna tap it again and mag around that just so it isn't a problem when I gotta finish that. So yeah, it's turned out real nice. All right, got her brushed, edged, everything highlighted. I had a little funky spot here when you know, meeting that and trying to make it smooth. So I got a little bit of brush marks. They'll fade with time and it all blend together. But yeah, got the stone, or got the step here, sponged the face, turned out really nice. I didn't highlight the step just because, like, there's not, if I highlighted it, there'd be no brush marks. I think it would look weird, so I just left it a solid block with brush marks. But yeah, look at that. So now all that's left is I gotta seal this thing, and so I'll do that quick using my sealer. All sealed, we're done, all cleaned up. And it's about noon right now. They're calling for 30% chance of thunderstorms at 1. So far, the sky looks okay, but we're gonna go to lunch close by. That way, in case, you know, it comes, we can run and put some plastic on it. But it's almost set up enough to be rained on. So yeah, it blew up real quick today. The sun's beating on it, so I'm real happy with how this is going. Cool. Alrighty, I came back, cleaned up the forms. My battery's about to die on the camera. That's great. We saw cut it. So yeah, that's what the drain looks like right along the building there. Got my step. Everything turned out really nice. I got a saw cut off of there. I'm worried about these being crack points. yeah, but I think this turned out absolutely amazing. I'm super proud of this. Yeah, so 3 days ago this was just a bunch of dirt piled up, and now it's something pretty that people can hang out on and walk on. And yeah, it's really cool to do stuff like this. So if you got any questions, drop them in the comments, and thanks for watching.